All right, Kwame Sha of all mobile productions. We know that you were here once again at the Daufuskie Autumn Fest. What did you think about coming over to the island and about the event itself?
It's interesting to come on the island from the backside. Got a chance to actually see more of the island than we saw the first time when we came over. So it was very good. Glad we had a chance to get to the museum, get some of the historic background of the island, learned a little bit more about this place, and understanding the history. And it's always a good opportunity, just to come out and work and show your skills and, help contribute to an event.
Now, when you say contribute to an event, what would make you be involved in this particular event? Is it of any particular interest to you, or it's like, oh, well, they called us a gig, we go?
Well, yeah, it's a gig, but if you really look at the history of all mobile productions, we've been a community-based provider. We're definitely on the level of professionalism where we can do any type of event, but I know that within our community, within the African American community, and now here working specifically with the Gullah community, to have the type of quality production for your events is really important. So that's definitely one of the reasons. And the more that I'm learning, and I get to understand that I have a direct connection, through my mother, my parents, who would be considered Mississippi Geechees. So there's a direct link, and so it's important to make sure that you understand your own roots, make the contributions that you can to keep that part of your history and that part of your culture and your legacy alive.
So if you were to hear from anybody else and they said, well, oh, but I don't know anything about this Geechee thing, or well, what I heard I didn't think was true, I mean, what would you be able to offer to them?
Well, the first thing I would offer to them is get to the website, go to officialgullahgeechee.org and see what's going on. But then the main thing is that, and I think that's been the problem with a lot of cultures that you don't see a lot of or hear much about, get to where the people are so that you can experience the culture firsthand. Don't get it secondhand. Don't get it from the telephone line. Don't speak to somebody who went and studied or read and then wrote down some of what they thought they saw or thought they knew. Get it from the people themselves. As the old adage says, get it from the horse's mouth. So this way you know that you've spoken directly to the culture. You've experienced the culture. You've been immersed in the culture. It gives you a better understanding than seeing it on a screen or reading it in a book. You can get an introduction, and that's one thing, but bottom line is you just have to get yourself in it, experience it, speak to the people, have, direct contact, understand the foodways, understand the language. Those are some of the key things that will help you really understand somebody's culture.